Here's what you'll need for Rick Stein's Baja, California fish tacos recipe. Some tomatoes, some fish. I've gone with smoked haddock, but you can use fillets of any fish really. A lime, small red onion, some lettuce, tortilla wraps of course, some eggs for the batter, sour cream, some chilies, coriander, plain flour and a touch of sugar. First thing we're going to do is prepare the salsa, so I'm going to get the juice of one lime, then take the seeds and skin from the tomato because it's just the flesh that we want. That's what we're after. So chop up your tomatoes into little bits. Then it's on with your onion and coriander. I'm only using half an onion because I'm only doing 2 tacos. Obviously, if you're doing more, use more ingredients. And finally, onto your chilies. If like me, you like to do it so that your chilies appear like that, which I like, instead of chopping them into bits, then do it this way. If you like chopping them into bits, do it that way. So I'm going to do it this way and then remove the seeds. So, in with your chilies, a bit of salt and pepper, and finally into there with a teaspoon of sugar. Give them a quick mix round and then set this to one side. With your salsa made, it's time to get on with your batter for your fish. So into a bowl with your flour and some salt and pepper, and then into there with your 2 eggs and your water, and give them a really good mix. With your batter mixed, all that's left to do is dip your fish in it and fry it. The temperature is around 180-190 degrees Celsius, the same as you cook chips or fries for. So we're literally going to drop that into there, make sure they're covered, and then we're going to drop them into the deep fat fryer. If you've not got a deep fat fryer, just put half an inch of oil or something into a pan and do it that way. Warm your tortillas in the microwave or an oven, and then you're just going to put a couple of leaves of lettuce down there as a base, and then it's on with your salsa mix, and then your fried fish. Always make too much, as you can see I've done. Better to have too much than not enough. And then last but not least, you're going on with your sour cream. In my case, sour cream and chive. We're going to roll them up as best we can and get stuck in.